How to connect a USB device to a PC or laptop. First, plug the USB device into your laptop or PC. Your computer will notify you that the USB device has been connected. Open File Explorer. You'll see the USB drive here. Click on it. That's it, you successfully connected the USB device to your laptop or PC. You can now copy files to the USB drive. After copying your files, safely eject the USB drive before unplugging it. Right-click on the USB drive. Select Eject. That's all there is to it. You can now connect a USB device to your laptop or PC.